Jiangsu Polymer Plastic Company Limited is a high-tech enterprise specializing in the production of fresh-keeping food-grade film. It was founded in August 2012 by engineers who have studied technology in Japan for 10 years, with a total investment of $10 million. Jiangsu Polymer introduces the world's advanced production equipment and use of international advanced production technology by Japanese experts strictly managed. We produce a variety of high-quality food-grade PE and PVC cling film. We also have obtained ISO 9001 and other certificates. Enterprise advantages. With export qualification, the factory is close to Shanghai Port. Transportation is very convenient, OEM and ODM orders. Enterprise purposes. Always adhere to customer first. While committed to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff can also discuss your requirements at any time to ensure that customers are fully satisfied. Business policy. Always ensure to provide customers with always provide quality service. Business philosophy. Deeply tap the potential of technology, integrate and create new technologies, and contribute to social prosperity. If you have any new ideas or suggestions about our products, please feel free to contact with you and providing you with satisfactory products. If have a chance, we also welcome you to visit our company.